Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to change age on Facebook. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and after that you need to tap on your profile picture at the top right here. Then again tap on your profile or your profile name, and this will open up your Facebook profile. Okay, so now you have to just scroll down here and tap on edit public details here. Then again scroll down and tap on edit your about info. And now if you scroll down here, you will see this age option here. Okay, and here you can see this edit option, so just tap on this one and it will open up the page now where you can basically change your age. So here you can change the month and date. Okay, and you can change the date, and now here you can basically change the year. And now after that just tap on save, and it will change your date of birth on Facebook. That will change your age on Facebook. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.